Hi guys, my name is Ryan. Today I'll be showing you how to access and navigate the navigation system in a lot of Toyota systems. Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how to navigate the navigation on your Toyota vehicle that has navigation. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to be going to the button that says home. We'll go ahead and press that. Right here you'll see it'll show you the radio on the left, and then it'll show you the navigation on the right. So first you'll go ahead and press the navigation. So the first step is going to be pressing destination. And next, depending on what you want to do, you'll either press address or point of interest. These two you'll probably use the most other than previous destinations, which would be good for going home or to another place you frequently go. But for this video, we'll go ahead and press address. Click the state you want to go to. For the simplicity of this vehicle, we will hit California. Next, you'll hit the city you want to go to, and since we are in Anaheim, I will go ahead and press Anaheim. And finally, we would put a street name. We are on Euclid, so I will put Euclid. And for a house number, since we are at 1313, I will put 1453 for simplicity. You would hit go, and voila, you have your destination and how to set an address on your navigation system.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
So after you have set your destination, you can click the options button, and here there are multiple options. So you have map mode, map information, map data, edit route, pause guidance, and route overview. So for this video, we will click edit route. And although there is only one route, you can pick your preference, and you can either pick restricted roads, freeways, toll roads, seasonal roads, border crossings, and ferries, and you can click which ones you would like and don't want. So when the light is lit yellow, you can see that is one you'll be using. And if you click ones and they go away, then these are not going to be included on your trip. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we look forward to hearing from you in the future. Thank you for watching.